So here's how to get free items on Temu. It's quite simple and easy, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. Today I will show you 4 simple steps to get free items on Temu. The first step is open a new account to get free stuff on Temu. To take full advantage of Temu discount, creating a new account is important. This special Temu free gifts code is only valid for new users, so ensure you sign up with the Temu referral code, COM 95307. Plus, you will also get Temu $100 coupon bundle for your first order with additional 50% discount. Step 2 is share your Temu referral code to get free stuff on Temu. Just visit the free gifts option and choose any product you want. You will get your unique Temu referral link, which you can share with your friends to receive free gifts. If someone joins Temu using your unique Temu referral code and downloads the Temu app, your free gift will get unlocked and add it to your cart and get it delivered to your home. Step 3 is play games to get free stuff on Temu. Playing games is a fun way to get free gifts on Temu. There is a game called Temu Hat Trick Draw, which you can play to get free stuff on Temu. Now, to play games and get free gifts, you have to download the Temu app as the option is only available for mobile users. Here is step-by-step process to get free stuff on Temu by playing games. 1. Launch the Temu app and navigate to the game section. 2. Look for Fishling or Temu Hat Trick Draw and click to enter the game. 3. Just play the game and you will receive the free gifts you win. Step 4 is become Temu Influencer. The Temu Influencer program is the best option to get free stuff on Temu without inviting friends. To become Temu Influencer, you must have a social presence with at least 300 active followers and actively engage with your fans regularly.